In this video, I want to share some tips on how to get good results when you're screen printing on 100% polyester with Speedball water-based inks. I'm going to show you the process on a few different shirts to give you an idea of what colors worked best. For this first shirt, I'm using Speedball black fabric ink on a gray shirt. I use the same screen printing process as I would with a cotton shirt, and you'll notice the print turns out nice. After the shirt dries, I heat set the ink with the same settings that I use for a cotton shirt, so you can see black ink on polyester is successful. Now I want to show you how other colors react differently. This is Speedball orange fabric ink on a navy polyester shirt. I use my heat gun to dry the first layer of ink and add another coat of ink on top. And the print looks great right off the press. However, as the ink starts to dry, my bright orange quickly fades. You'll see that after a few hours of drying, the orange is no longer a vibrant color. And when I heat set this ink, the coloring gets even worse. After the orange ink is heat set, it's very dull. I've found this to be the case with most colors on dark polyester shirts. But if you're determined to screen print on a black or navy polyester, there is still hope. For this next shirt, I'm using Speedball's Opaque pearl ink. This ink goes on nicely and is a bright white. Again, I use my technique of drying the ink and applying one more coat. This ink, after it air dries, still looks pretty bright. Once I heat set the ink though, you may notice it does lose some of its brilliance. It almost looks like a light gray now. I still think this is a really good print and a much better result compared to the regular white, yellow, or orange water-based inks. This same opaque pearl ink can be used on lighter color shirts too. On this light gray shirt, the white ink remains much brighter and doesn't fade quite as much after heat setting. So to recap, screen printing on dark polyester can be tricky. I would avoid using white, yellow, or orange inks on dark polyester shirts, and instead I would try to use one of Speedball's opaque inks, such as the pearl white or silver. And if you want to avoid the issues altogether, grab a lighter color shirt and use a dark ink like a black or a navy when you screen print on polyester. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also sign up in the link below in the description to receive my email updates where I send even more tips and tricks about screen printing with vinyl.